My mind's a mess if my space is a mess. It's Saturday morning, and I don't know about you, but the very last thing I feel like doing on a Saturday morning is cleaning my house. However, I am the type of person that simply cannot relax if my house is not clean. I don't know if that makes me weird, or if you can relate, please let me know in the comments if you're like this too. But my mind's a mess if my space is a mess. And so I decided, instead of like spending my whole Saturday morning cleaning, that I was gonna do a 20-minute reset challenge. And as I was thinking this, I was like setting the time on my phone. I was thinking, why not show YouTube how I do this? Because this is such a little hack for when you want a cleaner space, but you don't want to be dedicating a bunch of time to it. I know this is not like a mind-blowing discovery or like hack by any means. Like, I understand that a lot of people set timers, but I didn't realize how effective this would be until I tried it, and it actually like had me fighting the clock. So I decided that I'm going to do a quick pickup, reset, whatever you want to call it, and bring you guys along. Essentially, there's a lot going on in my house right now. My bed is not made. There's clothes drying everywhere because, by the way, here in Europe, we don't really do the whole like washer dryer thing. We have like washers. We either dry our clothes like hanging on a line outside or just like in a drying rack in our home. It's all fun and games in the summer when things dry fast, but in the winter, things don't dry as fast. And so I have turned my office into a drying room, like a pile of clothes right there. My bed's not made. My dog's hanging out thinking it's his bed now. Grab yourself a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, sit back, relax, and watch me clean my space. And maybe this inspires you to clean your own space. I've rambled on for a while now. Let's get started. I'm gonna put some really nice music in the background for you guys. Set the timer on my phone. So let me this 20-minute timer on my phone, and I'm only gonna pause it if I come talk to you guys, okay? I don't want you guys to think I'm cheating, but you know, it takes me like a minute to move the camera around, so I'm kind of nervous. I don't want to start this timer because then the time starts and I actually have to. Okay, so hold on. And the timer's on. Let's go. Let's do this.
Honey, put your phone down. I know you've been hurting. This spiral's a lonely road. Take my hand and listen. Maybe one day you'll cross paths, and you both got new perfumes, and the life you used to live is left within that old apartment. Maybe nothing's said and done, and your chest is set on fire.
20 minutes is so much less time than I thought it was. If you can see that, 12:38, which means I've pretty much used up 7 minutes of the 20 minutes. I will say though, this room was probably the one that had the most stuff to do because of all the clothes and stuff. I feel like I could at the very least still like be able to handle the mess that's in the office and put away dishes. I don't know, we'll see. Here are the 3 things that I really still want to accomplish. I want to put all the clothes that are dry on the rack inside this now empty basket here. I'll put it away later, so I'm not going to worry about that. I want to just reset the office, make it look normal. I want to put away the dishes. I want to run a load of laundry. And I think that's going to be it. I think I'm not going to be able to fit anything else in these 20 minutes. So let me show you guys the office so you guys can see the mess. This is what the office looks like right now. And there's even a sheet hanging from the door because I leave my sheets hanging outside to dry. But during the night, because we live next to the ocean, it gets really humid. And so I have to hang sheets on doors. I also have, it's over there. You see that little machine right there next to the chair? That's a dehumidifier, and it does exactly what you'd think. It dehumidifies. That little machine, in combination with the fact that I have these giant windows that you can now not really see, makes it so that this room gets really warm during the day, and then all the water just evaporates off the clothes, and then the little machine sucks all the water in. So I got my phone. I got this little basket. There's all these clothes. There's the sheet hanging there. There's a towel hanging in the hallway for whatever unknown reason. I have to deal with that. And there's my husband's jujitsu suit that's also drying, hanging from the closet. So here I am revealing how messy my house is to the internet. Oh, I also have this Lululemon bag, which I've filled with trash. I have to empty this as well and put this back. Let's bring back the music. Let's get cleaning.
the starlit sky, our love's secret line. Like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time.
This is still a little bit wet, so I'm going to put it outside drying on the rack because it's very sunny today. And then these things here, I need to get another basket for because they have to be ironed, and so I put them in a little separate basket to iron them later.
Electric, right? You make me feel alive. I know what you like.
Some of these clothes are still a little bit wet because I only put them up, I believe yesterday I put them out here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of the wet clothes in the middle compartment so that these wings are free for the next load of laundry that I'm going to put in and have to take out later today.
There's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the...
I'm going to put the rack in the bedroom with the dehumidifier and move this out of the way here. I'm also going to take the basket of clothes to fold for the bedroom. Later tonight, I'm going to put this ironing basket back. Crap. Okay, well, I have 3 minutes left. 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Look, I'm going to try this, okay? I'm going to try to put the load of laundry in the machine in less than a minute and 30 seconds, I guess, and try to put all the dishes away in less than a minute and 30 seconds. By the way, before I get accused of cheating for not restarting the timer while I'm moving the rack to the other room, I've not paused the timer every time I've moved the camera, okay, guys? And that eats up 20 seconds here and there. So this is like my 60 seconds that I get back from moving the camera just to move things to another room.
As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do.
Okay, we have 3 minutes and 16 seconds on the clock. I'm gonna grab the laundry, I'm gonna bring it to the kitchen, I'm gonna throw it in the machine, and I'm going to try my damn best to put the dishes away. So, wish me luck.
As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Baby.
Okay, this leaves me with 1 minute and 13 seconds to, put away dishes. Damn Lululemon bag to sort through, but we don't have that many dishes, so this is the dishes we're dealing with. That's it. So it might end up being that I take like 21 minutes or 22 minutes, but you know what, guys? We made progress. We did a lot. I'm proud of myself. Crap, I forgot to set the timer for that Lululemon bag, but my camera says that took me 20 seconds, and I have 13 seconds or 1 minute and 13 seconds on the clock, so we're gonna pretend like that didn't happen, okay, guys?
Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time.
I missed the cutlery. It's the only thing missing, guys, is the cutlery. Damn it. We were so close. Thank you so much for joining me and watching this video. If you like this, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know down below if I've inspired you to do any kind of cleaning this weekend, even if it's just to try the 20-minute challenge. And with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
As the leaves change.